How to create a playlist on Spotify. First of all, open up the Spotify application on your phone. You'll be taken to the Explore page. Once here, go to the bottom panel and tap on the Create icon at the bottom right corner. Here, tap on Playlist to build a playlist with songs or episodes. Now, give your playlist a name. After that, tap on Create Playlist. Your playlist has now been created, and you can start building a playlist by adding songs of your choice to this playlist. You can add songs by clicking on the plus icon beside each recommended song. Tap on your library at the bottom panel to check your new playlist in your library. This way, you can easily create multiple playlists on Spotify and keep your song collections organized. And that is exactly how to create a playlist on Spotify.